Hello lovelies, come, let us make this simple delicious potato recipe together. You're going to see how we're going to prepare the sauce at the end of this video as well. So guys, that is the potato I'll be using. So those are the potatoes. It's now time to wash them. Pour some cold water or warm water onto it, and what you need to get now is your sponge. Yes, I'll be using sponge. You can just use foam to wash it. You can use foam and ordinary foam if you don't want to use a sponge like this, but we need to wash it well. What I'm doing now is I'm giving it a good wash. All right. Shout out to Mark John watching from Ekpoma, Nigeria. Thank you so much for liking our recipes. Please remember to leave a comment. Let me know where you're watching me from. You might be the next one on my shout out. God bless you. Can you see the dirty water? Pour the water away, and now it's time to rinse the potato until the water is very clean. Rinse it as many times as you can. All we need to do is to make sure that the water is clean. So now it is well washed. It's now time to cook it. Now get a pot and transfer the potato into the pot you'll be using for cooking it. Pour salt into it to your taste, and now add water. Make sure that the water is above the potatoes. All right, now cover and place it on your cooker. Now boil until it's done. For you to be very sure that your potato is done, you need to get a knife, push it into it. It will come out clean and clear. Then you can be sure that it is done. Now take it off the cooker, pour some cold water into it. All right, it's now time to peel it. If you are very sure that your potato is organic, you can eat it with the potato peel. You can eat it with the back without peeling it, but I need to peel this. Now dip your water into cold water and be peeling it with your hand. This is how I peel my boiled potato. It is so easy with hand, but if you are not sure of yourself, you better get a knife. All right, no problem, just get your knife and peel just like this. It is so simple. If it is too hot, dip your hand into cold water and peel. After that, let's make our sauce. That is chili powder, salt to taste, crayfish powder, vegetable oil or palm oil. Okay, palm oil is super for this, I must be honest with you, but it's not available at this moment. But I'm using vegetable oil and it came out so super. Mix it thoroughly. This is what you're going to have. Now set it aside. That is our well-boiled potatoes, and we have peeled it. Like I've said, if it is organic, you don't need to peel it. Now serve yourself. Okay, now this is how I want to eat it. I cut it into small pieces just like this, and it's now time to serve it with that our simple sauce. Try this sauce for yam or for potatoes. Boil this way, you will love it. If you're eating this potato like this, you will think you're eating yam, because the texture you will have, you will love it. And if you don't like to eat it with this sauce, you can serve it this way with fried vegetable egg. You will love it. Thanks for watching.